No, we always speak in English.
Who speaks more, mom or dad?
Equal, pareho. Mahilig sila magsalita. Yeah, mahilig sila magsalita. Actually, my mom is like a social butterfly.
Pero magsalita in Tagalog para sa matuto? Or just...
Para matuto tayo ng Tagalog?
Yeah.
Kami ng Tagalog? Hindi kasi... Wala lang. Hindi nila naman nag-iisip na...
Bakit? Why should I...
Dito sa... Kasi, I don't know. We just didn't think of it. Wala lang. Like...
That's good though, at least. Really.
Sa mga pinsan ko, I think, siguro, only my sister and my brother and I can speak, Tagalog. Out of my cousins. Sa Canada.
Siyempre naman.
At sa California.
Marunong, of course.
Yeah, of course. Pero, I only have a few cousins here.
They're waiting outside for you na. You're like, I'm your cousin. Talaga? Sino ka? No, of course. But you met all of them na, or hindi pa?
Hindi ko alam. Yung mga malapit ng pinsan, yung mga pinsan ko na malapit sa amin, in regards to like blood, like first cousins, second cousins, I've met most of them. Pero sa extended family, hindi masyado, I'm not sure.
Where do they know you?
I think from Miss Earth, yes.
Okay. So Canada, do you ever, so hard, speaking Tagalog, sulatin para sa mga pinsan? And then you send it to them here?
Nagsusulat ka
or email or
I don't even do that to my friends.
Oh, really? Wow. So, mabait
sa
ka
mga
talaga.
malapit ng kaibigan ko, wala. But I don't even need talagang, hindi ko kailangan ng cellphone sa Canada. Kasi I never use it.
Me?
I'm serious. Like, I only talk to sa mga
tatlong tao
mga
lang.
tao sa loob ng bahay. Minsan yung best friend ko.
Kawawa naman talaga.
And like, siguro, I think, we make it a point every at least 2 weeks or once a month. My friends from Bible College, pumunta kami sa isang restaurant at kumakain kami. Yan lang.
And,
or minsan, meron
sige,
kami bibigyan sa...
halimbawa, anong pagsalita?
Pero para sa akin, sa tingin ko, hindi ako, like, I wouldn't have it any other way.
Really?
I really wouldn't.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
No, you shouldn't have it.
I love, like, love hanging out with my parents. They are so cool.
Talaga?
Oh my gosh. Alam mo, kasi kung hindi naman like hindi ako mahilig magpasyal kasama kong mga kaibigan ko. Pero like I have a lot more fun kasama magulang ko or yung kapatid,
sa pamilya mo.
Mga kapatid ko. Oh my gosh, like I really wouldn't have it any other way.
So you really miss them talaga?
I really miss ko ang pamilya ko. Like when I say...
Will you have one chance to talk to one of them, sino? Gusto mong tatawagan?
Siguro tatawagan ko ang